Ever wondered what makes the holiday season so special? Could it be the Christmas traditions or maybe the festive desserts? Each has its charm, but nothing quite captures the essence of Christmas like a Yule log cake. Well, today we're diving into the delightful world of Yule log cakes. Before we get our hands dirty, did you know the Yule log cake has a rich history dating back to the 19th century in France? Known as bûche de Noël, this festive dessert was inspired by the ancient tradition of burning a Yule log at Christmas time. As the practice faded, the Yule log cake emerged, symbolizing the log with its cylindrical shape and bark-like texture. Today, it's a cherished part of holiday celebrations worldwide. Now that we know a bit about our cake's history, it's time to roll up our sleeves and start baking. Baking a Yule log cake might seem daunting, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple steps. Begin with the essentials: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and eggs for the sponge cake base. Next, you'll need cream, vanilla, and more sugar for the filling, and of course, chocolate for the rich ganache. Once your ingredients are assembled, start by whisking the eggs and sugar until they become light and frothy. This is a crucial step to give the sponge its fluffy texture. Gradually sift in the flour and cocoa powder, folding gently to ensure the mixture remains airy. Spread this batter onto a baking tray and slide it into a preheated oven. While the sponge bakes, whip up your cream filling and prepare the chocolate ganache. Once the sponge is baked and cooled, spread the cream, roll it up, and slather it with ganache. Add a dusting of powdered sugar for a snowy effect, maybe even some marzipan mushrooms for a woodland touch. And voila! Your own homemade Yule log cake. Doesn't it look scrumptious? Baking this festive dessert is a delightful way to bring in the holiday cheer. In the spirit of the season, a Yule log cake adds a sweet touch to your celebrations. Remember to share your Yule log cake creations with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy holidays!